Hello, I'm Tolga Aramaz, the Director of Learn Trade Skills. If you're an existing electrician without formal qualifications, the Fast Track Level 2 2365 course is perfect for you. We understand that many skilled professionals like yourself have years of on-site experience but haven't had the opportunity to gain formal qualifications. This course acknowledges your expertise and helps formalize your skills. The Level 2 2365 Diploma for experienced operatives provides focused theoretical knowledge to help complement your existing practical experience, formal recognition of your existing skills, and an accredited qualification by City and Guilds to help enhance your professional credibility. Even with your on-site experience, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of health and safety regulations, electrical science principles, current wiring regulations, and installation technology and its best practices. This course is for 12 weeks long and it will be one full day a week, which will be accompanied by online study materials to help balance your work commitments. By formalizing your qualification, you will increase your professional credibility, meet industry standards and compliance requirements, open up opportunities for career advancement and higher earning potentials, and be prepared to pursue further qualifications just like the Level 3 2365. Our training center features modern classrooms with the latest facilities, fully equipped workshops simulating real-world environments, and access to tools and equipment used in the industry. Upon finishing the Level 2 diploma, you'll be able to progress towards the Level 3 diploma in electrical installation, after which you can complete the NVQ Level 3, and then you'll be able to apply for your ECS Gold Card.
How you doing? My name's Blair and I've completed the 2365 Level 2. I attended in-service the practical sessions and I was made to feel very welcome, and it was good. Guys are good here, nice and friendly, so yeah.
Hi, my name's Arda Duman. The practical side was a bit more fun and I had a couple of experiences from before, so it helped me out. The theory side of the qualification was a bit difficult, but the teachers at Learn Trade Skills helped out a lot.
We offer experienced instructors, flexible studying options, small class sizes, and modern facilities with supporting learning environments. Are you ready to take your first steps in becoming a fully qualified electrician? Just go ahead and complete the form on this page to get further information. Our team will reach out to you with all the details you need to take the next steps. It's quick and easy, just fill in your details and we'll handle the rest.